Hey guys, I got this message from one of my subscribers asking me how I generate signals using the 3M Train Milker trading indicator, and I will be giving a full details on how I generate signals using this particular setup on my chart right now in this video. But before you go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, first of all, the trend milker trading indicator is a custom made indicator, and it is a trend trading indicator. You should get that right. It is a trend trading indicator. It helps you to trade alongside with a trend. Okay, so we're going to check out how it really works on the platform that we will get to know how you can put it into good use. Okay, so first of all, it can work on any time frame, but personally, I love using 15 minutes time frame. When you insert it on your chart, this is how your chart will look like, okay? But personally, I love zooming it out by one. Okay, so I will be having this kind of form. Okay, so this will help me to have a better look of the chart. Okay, so I'm going to go straight into it so that we will understand how it works. First of all, there are two types of colors you will be seeing here. You will be seeing the yellow color and the red color. Okay, the red color stands for the downtrend, while the yellow color stands for the uptrend. And this is how I put it to use on 15-minute time frame. For instance, I always want to check out the trend first, and I always want to check it out if it's coming from the support zone or from the resistance zones. All these are very, very important. Okay, so at this point, if you should notice, this was on downtrend before. You can see the red color, it was on downtrend, and of course, it's got to this support zone. It finds it difficult to get. So it's changed from this red color into a yellow color. So the yellow color stands for uptrend. So once you get an uptrend signal like this, the only trading signal you should go for is the buy signal, which is the blue arrow. So once you see the blue arrow at this point, this is coming from the support region, a major support region, and it has not been able to break out from there. So, and of course, right from there, we got a yellow color. So this means that we should follow the blue arrow. So at this point, I can place my order with this blue arrow popping out around here. I can place my order, and by I can even add more order around here, okay, with this blue arrow, and I can add more here with this blue arrow. And of course, I got some red arrows here which I will not obey because the market is still on uptrend at this point. You can imagine right from this moment where we add this blue arrow popping out to this very moment, that would have been an amazing opportunity. If I should take it backward a bit, the same thing happened with the red color. Okay, it got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out from there. Okay, so if it's unable to break out from there, then it should change the trend. So you wait for it to change the trend. So it changed the trend, gave us the red color pattern here, and of course the red arrow also popped out. So this means it should sell. So you can see it sold for a very long time. So at this point, you only follow the red arrow. Okay, so we got more red arrows here, and of course it gave us opportunity to sell. Now let's check out more, guys. The same thing is applicable around there. When it got to the resistance zone, it was unable to break out from there. You can imagine it got there around there, sold for a while also, even though it didn't go for too long before pulling back. And of course, gave us another opportunity around here since it's unable to break out from this resistance zone. Gave us another red color right there, which signifies a downtrend, and it is coming from a resistance zone. So it is a good opportunity for us to go into it. And of course, red arrow, however, because it stops here and also stops here, so you need to be very careful. That is why I draw the trend line. So definitely, if I'm to trade this, it's either I close my trade before it gets to this trend line, or probably I make use of stop loss to trail it up till the very end. Okay, so right from there, it broke out below the trend line at this point, and of course, gave us another red arrow around there, which signifies a sell, and of course, it sold till it got to this prayer. Definitely, I mean, this moment. Okay, here is another moment for us again. It got to this support zone, wasn't able to break out from there. Since it's unable to break out from there, all you just need to do is just to follow the trend. Okay, wait for the trend to change from a downtrend into an uptrend. It changed into an uptrend at this point, gave us the blue arrow at this point, so you can buy right from there. It pulled back when it got to this point, and of course, gave us another blue arrow. It bought, and of course, it is still buying at the moment. So you can see it is very easy to use this setup. Okay, it is a custom-made indicator created by Qora Digital Cash. Um, Team, and of course it is a trend trading indicator. I made use of the trend trading strategy and other strategy mixed together to come up with this particular indicator. Okay, so you can see gave us the yellow arrow, and it has been buying since then. This is 15 minutes time frame, so this is huge profit at the moment. So this is how you use it to analyze the market easily and make some good amount of profit from there. So you too can try it out from your end, and let's see how you can, I mean, what you are able to come up with from your end. You can try it out on your demo account first before trying it out on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, you can drop your question in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.